Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best steel commodity Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Steel is one of the most important metals globally, mainly used in the construction and engineering industries, respectively. Steel is an alloy which is mainly made up of iron, and it contains smaller amounts of carbon, manganese, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, and oxygen. Steel carries a relatively low cost, and its strong physical properties make steel a popular choice for fabricating a wide variety of items, such as refrigerators and washing machines, cargo ships to buildings, and more. Global steel production exceeds 1,600 million metric tons annually, and the top steel-producing countries include China, Japan, India, the United States of America, Russia, South Korea, Germany, Turkey, Brazil, and the Ukraine. Finding a list of some of the best steel commodity forex brokers who facilitate the trading of steel can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best steel commodity forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have City Index. City Index is a spread betting CFD and Forex trading broker, which is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. City Index offers traders the ability to trade on over 12,000 instruments, covering indices, shares, Forex, cryptos, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on City Index's web and mobile trader platforms, as well as the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Demo, Personal, Premium, Professional, Self-Managed Super Fund accounts, Corporate accounts, Partnership accounts, as well as individual and joint accounts, with competitive pricing, access to educational materials, negative balance protection, 24-hour trading support, and more. City Index also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into introductions to the financial markets, technical analysis, a variety of helpful educational videos, guides in risk management, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional educational material with City Index. At number 4 on our list is FXPrimus. FXPrimus is an online broker founded in 2009, offering forex trading, social trading, and is a global broker with a head office located in Cyprus. Regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission and the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. Used by over 10,000 traders, FXPrimus offers over 125 different instruments to trade, including over 43 currency pairs, and specializes in forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. Available platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on their web-based browser application, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard, VIP Variable, and ECN Premium accounts, with access to a wide range of advanced trading tools, multilingual customer support, SMS alerts, daily market outlooks, one-on-one consultations, and more. FXPrimus also provides their very own educational center, which delves into weekly market analytics, general market commentary from expert guests, seminars, webinars, daily market news, trading calculators, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional trading education with FXPrimus. At number 3 on our list is XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. Coming in at number 2, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex, ECN, and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis, and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best steel commodity Forex brokers, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. And those are some of the top 5 best steel commodity forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.